You are sitting at a red light, and you catch a faint whiff of raw gasoline, or maybe you have noticed your car is just not getting the same miles per gallon it used to, and then that dreaded check engine light pops up on your dashboard. If your scanner pulls a diagnostic trouble code P0459, you are looking at a circuit high condition in your evaporative emission system purge control valve. This system, which we usually call the Evap system, is actually your best friend because it keeps toxic fuel vapors from escaping your gas tank and venting straight into the air we breathe. Instead, those vapors are trapped in a charcoal canister and then sucked into the engine intake to be burned off cleanly while you drive. The heart of this operation is the purge control valve, which acts like a gatekeeper. When the engine is running under the right conditions, the powertrain control module commands this valve to open, letting the engine vacuum pull those vapors in. When the computer detects a voltage signal that is higher than it expects on this circuit, it triggers the P0459 code. This is usually an electrical issue, often caused by a faulty solenoid, a blown relay, or a wiring harness that has seen better days. To tackle this, your first move should always be a thorough visual inspection. Look at the wiring harness connectors for any pinched wires or loose pins. These components live in a harsh environment under the car or near the engine, so bare wires with no insulation are a common sight. Use your digital volt-ohm meter to check for battery voltage at the power side of the solenoid connector with the key on and the engine off. If you do not see any voltage, you need to trace that wire back to the source. Another classic move is to check for a short to ground. Disconnect the harness from the valve and the engine computer, then measure the resistance. If it is very low, you have a short that needs to be repaired. You can also test the purge control solenoid itself for continuity and make sure the resistance matches what the manufacturer says it should be. Some advanced scanners even let you activate the Evap system manually while the car is idling so you can watch the duty cycle in real time. If the computer is sending the command but the voltage remains high, you likely have a fried purge valve that needs to be swapped out for a fresh unit. It is a straightforward fix that will keep your car running clean and save you money at the pump.